Hi students, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today one of the simplest and easiest named reaction is a Diels-Alder reaction. The meaning of the Diels-Alder reaction is a diene. One is a diene should be there. Diene reacting with dienophile. Diene is reacting with dienophile to form addition product that we call what? Adduct. Diene is reacting with dienophile to form an adduct. Adduct means ADD stands for addition. UCT stands for product. Addition product we call it as a adduct. Here is a diene. Diene is nothing but there should be a two double bonds. Diene. Another one is a dienophile. This we call as a diene and this we call as a dienophile to form cyclic alkenes or the cyclic hydrocarbon that is formed by the throw of a cyclic intermediate will takes place. Here this reaction is initiated by whether the thermal heating is required. In presence of the solvent or in absence of the solvent is also this reaction will takes place. If any of the electron withdrawing groups such as aldehyde, carboxylic acid, cyano, nitro, sulfonic acid, such groups is presented on the dienophile, then the yield formed in this reaction as well as the reaction is proceeds faster. Here is the different mechanisms were proposed for the explanation of the Diels-Alder reaction, but one of that it may be moving toward this side. Here is a minus charge or this is a plus and it is minus. Again these electrons are moving toward this side, minus and plus. These electrons are moving toward this side. It gets negative charge and it gets negative charge and it gets positive charge. Like this, a negative and positive, a new bond forming and a new bond, existed bond is a breaking will takes place through the cyclic intermediate. Originally here is a numbering 1, 2, 3, 4 is there. Here is a 5 and 6 is present. Whereas here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 carbon atoms are present. In between 1 and 2 carbon atom, here is a double bond is there, but it is single bond is there. Here is a 2 and 3 carbon between them is a here originally single bond is there, but it forms a double bond. 3 and 4 is a double bond, but here is a single bond is there. Here is a 5 and 6 there is no bond. It is only one bond. Double bond becomes single bond. No bond become one bond. Means by the formation of the cyclic intermediate or the transition state, here the double bond is gets converted into single bond and the single bond is gets converted into double bond. Such kind of the reaction is known as a Diels-Alder reaction. In the Diels-Alder reaction, whatever the double bonded compounds are given, whether we need to check, here is a diene. Diene is reacting with dienophile is given. What I said, the cyanide is given. Cyanide means what? Here the electron withdrawing group. What we need to do? This bond is broken, this bond is broken, this bond is broken. Hence, the majorly formed one is a cyclic or cyclohexane. And at this position, the cyanide group is present. Like this, the Diels-Alder reaction can be studied. Next few examples about the Diels-Alder reaction. Let already that the example is a diene is given, dienophile is given, but which is in the configuration is a cis. If the diene is reacting with dienophile to form adduct is called as a Diels-Alder reaction. If the cis configuration is there, then the formed product is also cis. The stereochemistry is an important one. Whereas if the trans is given, that is the fumaric acid and the malic acid, those are the geometrical isomers. Where here is a trans is given, then the formed product is one of the COOH is the front side and the H is the front side, COOH back and one is the COOH is the front side. Hence it is called what? Trans. Stereochemistry is the important one. Here is a diene is reacting with dienophile. Only double bond is presented here. Here this bond minus and plus. Here is a minus and plus. This bond minus and plus, plus minus. here is a new bond, here is a new bond is established, like such kind of the products are obtained. Whereas here is a electron withdrawing group is present cyanide. Electron withdrawing group then facilitates to form a reaction very faster. A new bond is established like this and the cyanide remains same. That is some examples. Next, working examples on Diels-Alder reaction. Whether the given reaction is Diels-Alder or not, how can we identify? Here is a diene is present, here is a dienophile is present. What are the thing that we need to do? Minus, plus, and here is also minus and plus. A new bond. Here is these remain same. Here is the CH2 is there, the CH2 is the same, and the new bond is established. As a result, a double bond is formed between them, and here is the COO C2H5, and here is also COO C2H5 ester group is present. Here is a double bond. Here is a double bond is given, a new bond is established like a partial bond. That here is also cyclic intermediate is possible. In that the cyclic intermediate, here is a resultant double bond is moving between them. Here the C double bond O, and it does not affect any of the double bond. Here the triple bond is given, a cyclic, here is a cyclic transition state is possible. Out of the 3 bonds, the only 2 bonds are broken, 1 bond is remains same. Here is also ene is given, but it's a 1,3, 1,4 addition will takes place. That's what the formed product will be like this. After formation of the cyclic intermediate, like this is the formed product. Remaining working example, here the benzene is given, here is cyclopentadiene is given. This is the diene here, this is dienophile is given. Here benzene is given, that's what, here is a new bond. Here this bond is given toward the side, and this bond is towards, and here is a bond is given, minus plus, a new bond is established like this. Next, here is a benzene, anthracene, naphthalene is given. The active hydrogens, the positions are 9th, 10th position. That's what, here a bond is established. Whether the molecule is given in which geometry and which direction is also, don't get confused. Here is a diene is given, dienophile. If the cis configuration, cis is the product. Here the diene is given, trans configuration is given, the product is a trans.